Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, if you want to build your faith, just come with me. We'll go through Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts to pull out all of the account them. A miracle, sign, and wonder where Jesus and his disciples them perform. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button now, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus as can to Mark chapter 5 from verse 21 to verse 43. After that, Jesus go back cross Lake Galilee in a one boat. When he reached, one big crowd gathered up around him on the seaside. Then one man named Jairus, who did in charge of one of the Jew them church, come which part Jesus there. When him see him go down pan him knee in front of him. Him beg Jesus, do, my little daughter go dead. Do, me I beg you, come put your hand pan her and she will get better. I live. So Jesus go with him. One big crowd go with him too. And them did a press hard against Jesus. One woman where did a suffer did in the crowd. For 12 years, she couldn't have bleed. She go on whole heap of doctor, but none of them couldn't help her. She spent half all her money on doctor bill. And instead of she get better, she only get worse. The woman did hear what people did say about Jesus. So she come up back at him in a crowd and touch him clothes. Cause she did have said to herself, say, if me could have just touch him clothes, me would have get better. When she touch him, she tap bleed same time. And she feel in her body, say she get better. Same time, Jesus know, say the power we him have did make somebody better. So him turn around in a crowd and did a ask, who touch my clothes? Him follower them say to him, say, you know, see the crowd of people we are pressed against you. So how you fi ask, who touch you? But Jesus turn around and still a look to see who did touch him. The woman did afraid and a tremble cause she know what did happen to her. So she drop herself at him foot and tell him everything. So Jesus said to her, say, daughter, cause you believe in me, you are right now. Go on with peace in your heart, cause you're better now. Jesus did still attack when some people from Jairus' yard come to Jairus, the head for the Jew them church. Them tell him, say, your girl pitney dead. What make you still a bother the teacher? But Jesus never paid them no mind. Him said to the head for the Jew them church, nobody afraid. Just believe. Jesus never make nobody go with him. Uncle Peter, James, and James' brother, John. When they reach Jairus' yard, instead of people, them a make one bag of noise and a put on one piece of loud bawling. When Jesus go in, he said to them, say, when a ball and a go and suffer, the pitney not dead, asleep, she asleep. And they start laugh at him. But Jesus sent everybody out of the house. Then him take the little girl mother and father and him 3 follower them and go in a room where the little girl did there. Then Jesus take time, hold the little girl on and say to her, say, Talita, come. That mean little girl, get up. The little girl get up same time and start walk around. She had about 12-year-old. Them we see what happened did shock so till. But Jesus ordered them trang. No fit tell nobody what. Then he tell them figure something for them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.